Hi you guys. So today I'm going to take a bath with the Lush Cosmetics Valentine's 2024 gift set, and this one is called Love Burger. For you RuPaul's Drag Race fans, it's not Burger Finger, it's Love Burger. It's the Lush Love Burger, folks. And wait till you see how cute it is. It looks like it's wrapped up just like a burger, and this is what it looks like. So we've got 2 bath bombs that smell like cherry for the buns, and then the meat is a bubble bar, and that one smells like a lemon. And then there are 2 soaps in the middle, one lettuce, which actually is made with lettuce water, and 2 a tomato, which is actually made with tomato. And so now I'm going to take a bath, and we're going to see what it looks like in the bath, and I'll let you know how I like it. This has an absolutely delicious scent of cherry. Does this not look like a cookie? It even has stuff in the middle. And look at that beautiful shimmer in the water. I would definitely rate this a 5 out of 5 rating. Thanks you guys. We'll talk to you on my next Lush video. Bye bye.